Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about HBAR. You guys can see that we're about to see a big test occur in the market for HBAR, to which we're going to see whether or not the market in HBAR is going to fall off this trend line and continue to move up. If that's going to be the case, then we need to come through and ride on with our current idea of looking for HBAR to go higher. But if we think that there's a higher chance of price breaking this trend line, then we need to switch and look for the market in HBAR to go lower. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my price predictions and forecasts that we do here on this particular platform, so that we can stay ahead of the competition. All right, so right now we did this price prediction in HBAR on August the 8th. So here it is, 10 days, 11 days later, and the market did go higher. But as we talked about on the video, you guys can see that it did get hit by those sellers within that sell pocket on August the 14th, and that was a very big day because the market closed down 6.5%, as well as we can tell that the market closed at the very bottom of the bar, which resembles that sellers took control of the price. And they still have control of the price because following that particular day, the market in HBAR has been having issues of lifting up back towards that sell pocket around 28 cents. So that tells us that the market is still being controlled by the sellers, and the market has been on the decrease, on the decline ever since the 14th of August. All right, so that's not really good for our price prediction, but we shouldn't be astonished, surprised because of what happened on the 14th. That actually gave us confirmation that those sellers are still present in the market for HBAR there. Here it is on the 2. Okay, so we could go ahead and get rid of this buy pocket for HBAR because those buyers are not holding price. So maybe they will hold price right here within this pocket. That's going to be the next test of us seeing whether or not the buyers are still holding the market. They're still holding price, and they will take the ball upfield, to which we will see another test at 28 cents of where those sellers are positioned. Here it is on the 3, 13 hours, 10 minutes, and currently the market looks like it is going to test that buy pocket. It's going to test this trend line and this major buy pocket that we got delineated already here. So we're going to see if that's going to sustain, if it's going to hold. Here it is on the 4, HBAR on the 5. This 5-day chart doesn't bode well for our current prediction. So I'm actually going to get rid of this prediction for HBAR, and we're going to look for a price to go lower. And on this 5-day bar, this last printed one, it looked like the market may try to come and test the bottom of this buy pocket. If not that, 19 cents, 20 cents. Is that in the cards for HBAR? Here it is on the wiki chart. 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3 and the 5. Okay, so let's go and get rid of this prediction. So the market will have only garnered us about maybe 5.3% out of this particular move. Let's go ahead and get rid of that, and we're going to anticipate the market in HBAR to go down now. All right, now we're going to look for our resistance up there at this nearest sell pocket, around 28 cents, 28.5 cents, which is like 17.25% loss if price in HBAR decides to flip and begin to go higher. Now we can still see price in HBAR trade within this consolidational trader range. Like, I don't want you all to be oblivious and not think that's not a possibility, because it is. But given what we've seen on the 3 and the 5-day chart, we're going to anticipate that the market, if anything, is going to try to test that buy pocket. So we're just trying to get prepared for that. Okay, so we're going to target the high of this buy pocket, which is at 23 cents, 4.25% there. Our second target is going to be down at the bottom of the pocket at 22 cents, which is 8.65% move. Then our third target will be all the way down here around 20 cents to 19 cents. And that would take the market in HBAR breaking the trend that is currently on, that started back in June, which you would begin to think that the market is in a transitional period of seeing weakness if that occurs. So the biggest thing that we want to see if you're a major buyer in HBAR is the market holding its area right there. If that happens, then we won't see the market in HBAR come down to this next pocket. Okay, so yeah, before I go, let me look at this on the monthly chart. Okay, so it really doesn't look too bad yet. Still 12 days, 14 hours for the current month in HBAR. But last month was fantastic in sense of price movement. Price being moved by the buyers. Very widespread there. 67.25% for the month of July alone for HBAR. Okay, so we'll leave it like this. If anything changes outside of us expecting the probability of the price breaking this buy pocket, i.e. it continues to hold this pocket, then just like I did on this earlier point of the video, we're going to go ahead and switch and join the winning team, which will be the buyers in that case, if they hold this pocket of buying. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.